grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Hello all you wonderful people out there, welcome to Jamaican Experience. My name is Gabby
and it's Yaadie Chrissy representing Jamaica here in Germany. So guys, for today's video we'll be introducing you all to some German snacks.
But only some.
Yeah,
we couldn't get all of them on the table here.
Unfortunately not. But there are quite a few. Some of them we don't eat that often, some of them we haven't tried before. And some of them we do eat more on a regular basis. So guys, tag along for the ride and see what we eat here in Germany, what kind of snacks we eat.
Right, and remember to like the video, share the video, comment down below, and please subscribe.
Yes guys, so you'll be notified whenever we post another video.
Right.
Right, so let's get into it. Where should we start?
Ooh, let me see.
Oh, let's do a gross with drinks. We got
You think we start with our drinks?
Banana juice.
Yeah, I guess this is so matching.
Not really.
It's actually our first. I've never tried banana juice before. Banana shake, I know.
Really, I love banana juice. We chose this between orange juice or it has.
Sweet.
So maybe
which one we should try first? Huh? Try something what we didn't try before. I mean, I never tried that one yet.
This one?
Yeah, this thing.
This one? You never tried this?
No, we never tried them. What
so guys, these are called knickknacks. So they're basically peanut covered in some outer coating with seasoning.
You know something? We're not even so crazy about peanuts.
Me neither. That's the thing, guys. I would say we don't eat.
I mean, I like peanut porridge that I love.
Yeah, and just basic
Jamaican
peanuts.
peanut porridge. Oh my god.
But I feel like Jamaicans would like this because you know Jamaicans love seasoning. And it's like they basically season the peanuts. Like you have a coating well seasoned, you know?
That's what it look like. Okay.
Like it.
Small and itsy bitsy.
I mean it's nice, but we just can't eat too much of them. Oh, you couldn't finish the pack. You don't like it?
Nah. No. It's an absolute nay.
Look guys, when you bite into it, this is what it looks like.
Kind of tastes like it. Outside tastes like them German potato chips kind of flavor, like in here.
Like it has
like
a paprika. Yeah.
Exactly.
Paprika seasoning.
The inside is a peanut, guess.
Yeah, with the peanut inside.
Yeah, I guess it's gonna be yours. I mean, obviously we're not gonna finish everything here one time. I mean, you got a sister who definitely into chips, so we don't have to worry about the what we finish, right?
No, sir. I got to
She can't eat one of them like in a minute.
Yeah.
She actually just does.
I feel like this kind of similar, but at the same time not. Just on the size and packaging. In them Goldfish.
Oh, I love them.
You love them?
Yeah, from when I like a picnic, I was like, I love them.
Alright, let's give the Goldfish a try. You first.
Yeah. They look like this.
Like a little fishy.
They don't really have much taste.
Just like a crackers it tastes, right?
Yeah, it tastes like crackers. I think they have different flavor ones too. I can see what different flavor ones there, but that would be again like this kind of flavor and like this is just something you like in between and it doesn't have so much calories, right?
That's what you think.
Yeah. I'm on a diet as you can see.
So guys,
the police passing through and the fire truck and everything.
And we can hear so living at town, right?
Yeah. Right
So?
on Big Main Road.
Yeah, so that was it for the original.
Do you like them so? Oh, that was gonna be mine later.
I mean, they're nice, but a bit too bland, I guess.
No, that's good.
So, next up on the line, choose this.
Our new favorite.
Yep.
One of them.
Yeah, we had this thing the other day, but I feel like this had to make it in the video because this is such a typical German snack. It's like a potato chips, right?
I assume so. Or is it corn something?
No, it's a potato chips. Guys, tell me if you remember Jamaican potato chips in the sunshine snack pack with the cheesies and banana chips that come in there too.
I believe so.
And some other little things they used to have in the pack. I think almost 12 or 24 snacks they come in there. And they have the potato chips like the green pack and the blue pack.
Yeah.
I don't remember all I call them, but I saw it taste. Guys, comment down below if you don't know what me attack, please. So I taste of them have. And I think that's why we love them so much.
Yeah, we kinda get to love them.
So they kind of remind us of, you know, Jamaican, that the kind of potato chips there. The one with such look in a bag. I usually
Yeah, they're not too salt and they're kinda neutral.
yeah.
But they have the good flavor.
Oh, and then good man compared to some other snacks here.
Yeah, the only thing we don't really find is like Cheetos. Except for this one time, and I guess we don't remember where we actually did buy them.
Yeah, remember we did buy a raven, but it's that
I don't see them again. It was the only time we actually catched up for what sort of taste like a Jamaican cheese.
cheesies, yeah.
Cheesies,
I mean, they have a different kind of cheesy taste, but it did well seasoned.
Actually,
And
come
they
pretty
come
close, and it's
really
really hard, believe you me. We find enough of them things them like also, but nothing compares, trust me. Right, what next?
You choose the next one.
I choose the next one. Here's one of my all-time favorites from when I was a little child. I mean, they are bought forever, ever since. I mean, I'm still young, never mind, but
And I'm going to eat them then.
yeah, very nice. They come like letters, as you can see, A, B, C, D, E, and so on.
Can't spell
They
any.
are Russian bread. Russisches Brot for some reason, I don't know why.
I don't know that. I have that right.
So I got a D.
Let's see which letter I get. I am for the C, guys.
Good luck with that.
What is that? L.
Good luck.
But I don't say loser.
I just love the crunchiness about it. The kind of sweetish.
Crunchy. Chocolatey? Is it chocolate?
Nah. Kind of sweetish. Chocolate, no. Definitely not.
I guess it just looks like chocolate, but it's not chocolate.
Definitely a lot of sugar in there. It's good for your diet.
I guess it's me and the sugar.
I don't know if you can hear this crunch.
It's very crunchy. I got the white.
Yeah. It's gonna be mine later. So I don't need no more food for the rest of the day. Definitely not. We actually got some more snacks and so lined up, but that's gonna be in the next video because if we do everything one time also we will be overeating, right?
Yeah, too much.
Yeah.
And the next video is gonna be about German chocolate. So these are like the snacks, and the next one's gonna be about the chocolate and the sweeter stuff. Okay, you can choose the next
Guess
one.
who likes chocolate?
Mommy loves chocolate.
I'm supposed to choose what is next. You know, I'm always curious what is this because we never have bought this one before. Milka is quite a popular brand in Germany. Chocolate, of course.
Yeah.
But this one here we never tried before.
No, we saw this and we said we should bring something new that we both haven't tried yet either.
Right.
Yeah, so let's
So
give
let's
it a go.
open it.
Should be interesting.
Oh, this one has sweat. Oh, hot in here. Oh, yeah, we're gonna make it so hot. People are sweaty. Uncomfortable.
What are you doing?
Alright. Woo! Look at that. Can you see it?
Oops.
So you open one and I take a bite.
So guys, they look like this. Yes, this one is a real reaction. So it's like, I don't know if you all remember the mukbang that we did where we had a cake here, what we ate for dessert. was the Schwarzwälder Kirsch.
Oh, that was so nice.
What
That
do they
was
call
so
it in
delicious.
English? Black Forest or something?
Black Forest cake.
Yeah, so I guess this is like a Black Forest chocolate bar kind
And it's
of.
called tender.
So it looks like it has cake and chocolate, everything mixed in one. Looks really good.
There's some chocolate in between here.
So this is what it looks like out of the package. Nice and soft.
So you gotta give me a bite.
Then I'm gonna bite first.
It's different from the yesterday.
Yeah, we have
And
similar
it's
ones.
kind of chewy, like.
I think some of them is so soft.
Yeah, it's soft, but it's. I don't know. Not bad.
But me not taste none of the cherries in
Yeah, the extra body for the cherry. The other one was like, what was it again?
It was vanilla or something.
remember.
They had a vanilla flavor.
Yeah, I could have vanilla. So the extra choose the one with the cherry also, but never mind, I don't choose taste no cherry in there.
Just look a bit, you know.
Yeah.
Look a bit. It's like one could jam layer.
Oh my god, I need my special glass for that.
Binaco. A binaco? No. What is it? I really like this. Guys,
Yeah, not bad.
I love chocolate and alcohol, so I feel like this is one thing that
This
tastes.
don't have alcohol.
No, I think it would taste so good if you would have a little alcohol in there.
Well, they have alcohol here, you can dip it in it.
But dip it in as some.
So we hardly don't drink ever. Right?
No, sir. Just one special
Once in a while.
occasion. Start now with drinking.
Yeah, some banana juice.
Flush down the chocolate. So what
It's
else?
not really, water would be better to flush down all that sweetness.
True, true. So, what else, mommy?
You choose.
So, me, I choose this.
Yeah.
Guys,
Yeah.
love beefy.
In case you are watching, this is all for you, my friend in Jamaica.
Her favorite snack. She told us to bring her some the last time. And I don't know, I love these. They even have like other brands, well, other brands that are cheaper. So we get those usually.
But the original just tastes the best.
Yeah, this is the original. So for the
Right.
video, we got the original. Guys, you have to, if you ever should come to Germany or you're here and you haven't tried them yet, you got to try it.
Have to.
Yeah.
I'm not so crazy about them. Don't know why. But I guess she's happy about it because she wants them all by herself.
I love them. And you want to go?
Yeah.
Film video.
It's like German salami.
Yeah.
The salami in English, I don't have a clue.
What question? What is salami in English?
Yeah, guys, if you know what is salami in English, let us know.
I feel like salami is also English word.
They have them in Jamaica, but they look extremely red. Bolognese?
Yeah, so you have to imagine like a smaller bolognese in a smaller sausage form.
Yeah, it has a little bit of salty taste, but not too much salt. It's nice for a snack in between. It's not if you're really hungry or so you won't hate it, trust me.
And here in Germany they have this in a much, you know, it look like the bolognese but it tastes like this. And then you eat it with cheese and bread and so. That's why it makes for a good snack
Yeah,
here.
we have to make a video one day also with all the breads we have here. Not all of them because that's impossible to get Cheetos and different kind of breads here also, but maybe some.
And show how we make a little sandwich there.
Yes,
so
and all the
typical
types of
German
sausage.
food.
I mean, Germany are famous for that. And their cakes.
Alright, mommy, which one next? You choose.
Ooh, which one next? My least favorite. I guess this one is or one of your favorite. The Doritos. I think they come in different flavors as well. I think you can get them in Jamaica too.
Jamaica have the best Doritos, guys. You see?
Yeah.
This may have to settle with. And we can get Jamaican Doritos out here.
You can see it.
So it's basically the best Doritos.
And you can get some dip with it, like cheese dip and so on.
But it's some expensive though.
Yeah, what is not expensive also. I hear the prices in Jamaica raise a lot, trust me, here too. Maybe not like on an everyday basis, but probably on an every week basis.
Really?
Maybe you don't pay so much.
No, Sam. I mean, we go shopping too, but
Oh,
I
but
don't
that's
notice it.
another.
But okay, just
But at least this one is not so tough like some.
I love them, man.
Young one.
Jamaica have the baddest
That cheese flavor.
Doritos. But
I
here,
guess it's gonna be yours then.
here, these are just the best one I have out here, man. Remember, they had some nice Doritos here now, and they take them out of them assortment. Like, they have one with some spicy Doritos in there, and then they have different kind of spiciness levels. So you might take up one Doritos, and it have this level of spiciness, and take up the next one, and it's very hot, and it have it, you know, you're dead. And then they take up the next one, and they did alright, and they take it out of assortment. I guess you never do good enough. You did love that one day. Spicy Doritos, you know?
So you finished with that?
No.
I come to your department. You see your department bigger than mine. Look what me choose. I'm one dingy thing alone.
I saw you do it, I never know.
Yeah, this is all your department.
So about this, you ever eat that later.
This is all your department.
It's a lie.
So,
You ever take this and this?
I think I feel like something sweet now. After all this.
Like some.
This is... I kind of like them. There are some cookies with chocolate, like waffle.
Waffle like cookie?
Is it considered a cookie?
I guess.
I like them because they are quite light, not too sweet, and something nice for in between.
True. Me not too much into waffles.
No, me neither also,
But
but this
mommy love
one I
my
like.
waffle them.
No, not always, but I like this one.
Cause you know what I mean by waffle? Yeah, I sure think you do.
It is, well you see here also is the brand name from Rewe.
Oh, I mean they do taste really good though.
No,
But most of them are really into the waffle
they are not too
business.
sweet and crunchy.
I think we can compare them to Topo Loco. Not really.
Nah,
Look a bit.
not really. But I love them.
I saw them crumbling.
Because you don't know how to eat them.
I should just put everything in my mouth. I don't know biting.
Yeah. Your mother needs to teach you. Yeah.
See, me no perfect. I'm gonna eat
So
them like
you
that.
choose next.
Me choose them here, the pretzel.
They come in big too. Actually, one of the things I really did miss in Jamaica, but not the little ones and the big ones, and like a butter pretzel. Spread with butter like.
The one that is more like a pastry. This one is more like a snack.
Yeah, but it's a salt thing.
But you know, I think Jamaica actually have these.
I think so too. Sort of.
When if they need for sure these. Well, right guys, this originated in Germany, so you have to show it now.
I'm not sure about that. I probably did.
Maybe that.
Nice
Sorry.
when you have a glass of beer or something, you know, Germans they love the beer. That would be another video actually with all the beers.
Yeah. I don't mean no like
And
beer.
get you drunk. Ooh.
We don't like beer. Take one. Only one.
One. Very crunchy. But not too tough. Little bit
Salty.
salt. Right?
Yeah, them very
Nice.
neutral and salty.
It's gonna be over here.
I feel like we can get easily underwhelmed by eating them. Just can eat a few of them.
But they're okay. I guess they don't make so. Alright, what's next? What's next? What's next?
This.
Yeah, you'll find them in Jamaica too.
So guys, let me tell you what this is like. You can recognize? So these would be like Jamaican royal biscuit, right? Yeah. And why I don't have to buy them, but them nice man. I don't know royal biscuits.
Oh, you can't open it.
Then can add look. Same exact shape and everything like them follow.
And they're neutral. I mean, everybody kind of know them, right?
Yeah,
you just want to
crackers.
show us, oh yes, we got them too. There's something we got here.
Certain things we miss we can get here. But they're just certain things, guys. So
Yeah,
if you
no
get
breakfast
hands.
for me.
But I guess that's how I go with snacks, you know. Every country have them snacks where kind of similar.
Yeah, and you have to remember this is only part of it. I mean, if you could buy everything else, the one table wouldn't be enough.
Yeah, but we kind
But
of
I
pick
guess-
the one where we think
Mm.
unique and special to Germany.
Yeah, like this one.
Oh yeah,
It's actually come like cheese chips, only it's peanut.
yeah, peanut flavor. And when me did come here first, me never liked them.
Yeah, I only like them so every other month, like, so a few of them. They just look like cheesies.
Not cheesy, it's cheese chips.
Cheese chips, you're right. Very crunchy. I would say it's typical for German. And it's nice. But I
Yeah.
could never finish one pack like this at one time. Never ever.
Yeah, sometimes
But
I
only once
actually,
enough blue moon I buy them.
only once a while we feel like them. I think in general you can't feel the peanuts so often. You know, just once a while I think you feel the peanut.
Yeah, definitely. So,
Oh, take one.
yeah, give me one.
I'm doing fast, so I take up so much.
Oh, we're getting some space here. Whoa. So, what's next?
So make we address the Lay's situation here now. So guys, I mean we all know that Lay's are everywhere across the world. You know, especially the yellow one. It's everywhere. So I don't know why mommy choose to bring it to the table. Why you choose to bring it?
You have to get some for your sister, right?
That's the reason. We are trying
I mean, so I like them here. They are her favorite.
I know them here.
Yeah, them.
Are they here?
Yeah, what up?
I think I want green one she like. I want green one Sarah like.
I don't know, they come in so much different flavors also.
So the thing is that I feel like Jamaica don't have this flavor. Tell me guys if I'm wrong. This name sour cream and black pepper. This there Jamaica? This a flavor here? Come on,
Maybe
feel like
now, look how long we never been there.
that's true, that's why I'm asking guys.
Everybody knows them. Remember the time I used to carry them home when I come from work, like, and the little pack them also.
Yeah man, I used to feed off a lace back then. Guys, you know I miss the barbecue ruffles and the cheese lace. And what else I used to have? Barbecue ruffles, cheese lace, they used to have sweet and sour ruffles I miss. They have one cheese ruffle.
They mostly have stick with the lace.
Mommy stick with the lace so she fine. But you see all of them fancy flavor, they none of them no done yet. All this, they have some, you know, it can't compete man. That's why I miss Jamaican snacks, but it's all good. So sour
Not
cream
only the
and
Jamaican snacks we miss, right?
everything.
I don't know, I don't fancy them here, but
I can't go on. Black pepper sour cream.
no way. Number one, I don't taste the pepper. All I taste is this extreme
We can't
sour
taste the
creamish sort of something.
yeah. We can't taste like the flavor of the black pepper, but you know hot. But yeah, okay.
Maybe that's because it's not really a German thing, maybe.
You know, so German can eat pepper, so they wouldn't make it too hot.
Some can, it's not like that, but
We never like really sour cream stuff.
But since we're there with the chips, guys, I have to just tell you this story. And first I come to Jamaica, I miss them here. I think, as far as I know, this is a typical German thing. It's with paprika, like sweet pepper. And I never found them anywhere near Jamaica, like.
Nah.
So I really missed them in the beginning. Then I came across like something sort like Lay's, and it was really so unusual. It took me a long time to get used to it, but guess what? No, I don't like them here anymore. And this me like. You see, that's how people can't change.
First, I can't live without this.
Yeah.
But guys, I had a similar situation here in Germany the other day, you know. So guys, I have a new thing now where I like drinking tea instead of coffee.
Yeah, not me.
And we have like The royal biscuit here, for example, we have a similar biscuit, but you have like a little long shape, a rectangle shape. And we would have like tongue it in the tea and eat it, and kind of remind me a little bit of crackers and tea in Jamaica. A little bit.
But you never mentioned also that right now you're in the apple cracker kind of thing.
Yeah, the apple, me like mix the apple in the combination too.
But
anyways,
tons of different apples down here. We could make a video about that. So definitely.
Yeah, true.
They have to look like an apple.
Anyway, so let me talk about it now. So they had one brand.
Oh yeah.
May I tell them the story what happened to me too?
Alright, sorry.
So they had one brand, the more expensive one, when named two. Another one that me did like. I remember me used to tell you say only the one that me like. And you remember the first time when we go in Aldi?
She mentioned that more than once.
But you remember the first time we go in Aldi and we get like the knockoff brand. I mean, I worry if it never tastes as good and something. And turn out to me like the knockoff brand better than the actual brand in the end. So that I same example with you, like in the Lay's over this, although you love this first.
The sawdust.
I same thing. Cause turn out say the knockoff brand not easy for mash up in IT so fast and so.
So can I eat one now?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, hold up here.
That's what it look like. The sweet pepper.
Maybe
And please don't believe now it tastes like sweet pepper, like bell pepper also, right?
No.
Definitely not.
Maybe like one barbecue Lay's. Look
Yeah,
at it.
sort of.
Around here. But also not.
And I only buy them if I don't find nothing else. Which is really so weird because that we did miss in the beginning in Jamaica. Oh, wrong way, so. Funny fish. A brand name here in Germany.
They have all kind of knockoff brands so this too, but these are the
definitely.
original.
So I guess they're gonna get a lot of chips later.
What else? On my end we have these two.
Yeah, we are getting. Oh, wait.
And another so something. Another so.
Okay.
Oh, that went in already.
Got a beat already.
Okay, so we have 3 more things left.
Ooh. Let me have so much over my side.
And you scoop them up.
No man, you the greedy one. Hier, ne? So. Und das sind eine für deine Äpfel. For your appeldom.
Alright, now we have to make the presentation look good for the camera. So,
Doesn't not feel look good.
now we have the Hanuta.
Yeah, that one exists since Milico.
But we can't pick up one of them. I like the same. Them I like brother and sister or cousin or something.
Yeah, they come like something in between for the little hunger.
Look guys. Show them yours, mommy. Show them the pack. Just show them the pack.
Alright. See it here.
Yeah, we are showing them the difference.
Ooh.
So I guess this one only have really chocolate in there, and the one that have little chocolate and vanilla.
But this one would be definitely my favorite.
I would have said that one of my favorites. So look guys, this only had chocolate. Oops.
And a tiny little bit of waffle. Oh yeah, by the way, I have peanut in there too.
Yeah.
And I one have what's that peanuts too?
Yeah, little bit. Little bit of peanut. Chocolate.
Maybe like it two of them, but
this
if
have
I would
more
have a
waffle.
choice, I would take this as have more intensify
Yes.
whatever.
Tastes more strong.
You got more chocolate-ish. It's much softer when you're biting it.
Really?
Yeah, I like definitely this one.
This is my one. I'll tell them it's my one.
Alright.
So, guys, those two definitely a very German thing. You're gonna have to try if you never see it anywhere.
Yeah, they get some nice stuff down here like in every other country too.
So, I guess for the finale, these are the ones we left.
That's why your mommy did buy two.
Mommy buy 2 of them, so she have to wait for the video to start eating.
Yeah, because we got them here since a couple of days now.
couple of days.
Yeah,
One year,
but you
2
got them in
years.
your room also and you're strong. You didn't try nothing.
No, sir. Me strong like that, man.
Mm-hmm. As long as you have your apple and your crackers, you're good.
I'm a new thing, that, man. So, guys, look. What are you gonna call this from the top?
Sprinkle?
Sprinklish. Some round sprinkle, not the long sprinkle.
Yeah, you can put it on cake, you can put it on cookies, you can put it on anything.
And it's just a piece of chocolate with sprinkle on top. But the chocolate is more harder, so you would think of a biscuit, maybe. Very light and subtle. And make a lot of crunchiness. This is more like a chocolate than a snack.
Yeah, once in a while I like them. Nothing for every day, like, but I like them once in a while, definitely.
They're very sweet, man. Make your mind too.
Very what?
Sweet. So yeah, I couldn't manage
Oh,
that.
you sprinkle make it sweet.
More like
So that's why they call it sweet.
True.
Yeah.
Wow. Now we have a lot of work to do over the next few days to eat up them here.
Well, no, the chips well taken care of.
Man, say I'm gonna deal with them backside.
She already eat one in my room.
No man, she come in
In
here
a
and
minute.
She come in here and see and say, "Oh, don't have two at the same time."
Yeah.
She could make a spear the video done.
You wouldn't believe how fast she can eat them. Minute it takes 1 minute.
Cause she not even go watch the video if you know somebody chat her. Funny.
Oh, she better.
She not even go do it till maybe 3 years and like, oh, no, chat with that.
She very busy. Remember that man, she at work, she has study. Work and keep her busy. Yeah. You know,
Anyway,
life.
guys, I guess we made it to the
End of the
our
video. Yay.
So what's your favorite snack?
My favorite from this. Oh God, that would be so hard. Depends what kind of mood me in and what I prefer, but definitely this would be one. And this.
And I would say this is my favorite because I'm the closest to home. And I eat really find myself by most of the time. Yeah, so and the beefy too would be my second choice. Another make a nice little to-go snack.
So next time we are going yum through the chocolate department, I see them over there. Woo!
Yeah, guys, you're looking at them. Stay tuned for that chocolate one. I think it will be even more
Part 2
interesting.
is coming soon.
Part 2 will be even more interesting, I think.
But it depends how you look on it.
Depends on what you like, but you love chocolate.
Yeah, but I'm glad how you mix it up a little bit. You know, not only the dry stuff, also you give me little sweets in between.
Yeah, the next one, mixed local too. We have local gummy beer and so.
Funny how I don't like gummy beers. I never did when I was a picnic.
Anyways, that's a story.
Yeah,
for
that's
next
a different
video.
story, people. Also, don't let me chat too much, right?
We both chatting too much, so guys,
Alright.
please like the video,
Share,
comment
below,
subscribe and hit the bell. Subscribe
hit the bell.
and hit the bell so that you'll be notified when we post a new video.
Yeah, man, and
Bye-bye.
like and share the video, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Bye bye. Peace.
Bye.